Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Chris, continuing saga of the 1855 restoration. Next thing I want to tackle is the front axle. And so, as you can see, these tires still have some life left in them. I mean, there's a lug. Turn a little more, I think we can find another one. I'm gonna get these tires off the rim. I just find it easier when it's on the tractor, standing up. Fortunately, the fronts are not filled, so let's get at it. Before I get too much further, I want to talk about the front weight spacer additions for the front wheel assist. They are about 250 pounds a piece and space the wheels out farther for whatever applications. You can also get different wheel spacings. The center is offset, so if you switch the wheels side to side, changes where the offset at, but still keeps your tread facing the right direction. Generally, I don't like the wheel spacers, and the main reason is they put the wheel farther away from the kingpin, so it just puts more stress on everything. Obviously, they work. There's plenty of them out there still doing it. But another reason is not only the stress this way, it's harder on your steering components, because the closer it is to that center line, the kingpin, the less effort it takes to steer, and when you hit bumps, the less leverage the wheel has against your steering linkage. I am going to set this here, maybe, but watch the path that wheel takes as it comes around. It doesn't just turn, it travels. It follows an arc because it's so far out from the kingpin. So, do they look cool? Yeah. I kind of like the looks of a stock front wheel assist. It all comes down to what I can get the rear wheels spaced at with the fender tanks and the canopy on it. If it's going to end up out where it's at, if I can't get it any farther, then I will probably put the spacers back on just so that the wheels line up. But I just as soon have it a little narrower for transport. Just regular fine threaded nuts. These should be a conical nut to fit into the rim. There is a 3/4 inch threaded hole right there that you can like screw an eye into. Balances the weight out better for putting it on there. And a little extra for the wife's knitting project. Ten-ply tire. Oh my God. I've done some questionable things here. I even took a old PTO shaft and made myself a longer tire spoon. That seemed to be what it took. That's right.